Good evening. Happy Tuesday. If you're here on planet Earth or wherever you are, happy whatever day it is there. Um, Welcome. I'm going to basically just be staring at my phone like this so I can read the chats too, so don't mind me. And of course, I brought my friend with me in case I feel inspired. Want to just go ahead and play a little jingle or something. Because that's kind of what I do sometimes in the afternoons, is come up with stupid jingles. But I thought I'd go live. Hey, who do we have in the chat right now? Mr. Chubby Hubby, welcome back. Man, it's like you haven't even left. I will try and make it and hope you are well. Hey, I'm not expecting any of my regulars to even be in this. I kind of did this impromptu last minute. Thought, hey, I'll do a live. And I might be doing more lives like this, so why not? Who else just creeped in? Oh, yeah, it's still you. Okay. Yeah, good to see you here too. But like I said, don't feel compelled. Don't feel obligated to be here. I was thinking of, letting the algorithm do its thing and seeing what people who don't even know who I am show up. Like some people who could be potential future subscribers or whatever you want to call it. So welcome anybody and everybody. This is an AMA session, meaning I'm leaving it up for the chats to ask the questions to me, and maybe I'll have some fun with it and pose like certain categories or certain types of challenges on these questions. But I want the questions. Bring them. Give me something to talk about. How about mushrooms? All right, what do we got here? Cool idea. All right, man, I know there's a couple people, unless, and I haven't figured this out yet, but am I one? When it has the people count at the top, right? Let's see if I can get my finger pointing at it for you to see. Right up here, I've got a little count. And it says I've got 2. Am I 1? And Mr. Chubby Hubby is number 2? Or are you number 1 and there's a number 2 who hasn't shown their face? And if that's the case, say hello in the chat. Ask me anything. Kind of primarily discussing mushrooms, but shoot, anything goes. What do we got here? Not sure how that works. Okay, yeah, I don't know either. I'll find out if there's another person. Okay, actually, it says there's 1 right now, and you're still here. So I'm 0. You are 1. Right, exactly. That's what I see. You are the 1. All right, we got a couple more that just jumped in. Welcome. Hi, I'm Mr. Jeff. If you are not subscribed to this channel, we're talking mushrooms. Ask me anything. But we're welcoming questions in the chat tonight or this afternoon. I even have my guitar in front of me in case, or I suppose if I feel inspired to play something, I will. But it gives me something to prop my chin on here, and my chin beard can be draped over it, perhaps. But we're talking whatever you guys want to discuss. I've been doing every Monday night for those that just jumped in and are wondering what's going on. I do Monday nights, I do a mushroom video, and then I go live and talk about it afterwards. But my mushroom topics are like, we'll call it a shotgun blast of chemistry, ecology, deep dives into some subjects pertaining to a fungus, right? And I can go loose and broad with that category, fungus, like talking about a yeast last night that most people don't even know of. So anyway, let me get caught up on some of these. All right. Welcome in, everyone. I hope all are well today. Yes, I do want to say, by the way, for those that do jump in, Right now it's just us two. But if more come in, I hope they're aware that you're moderator. I don't know if it shows in the chats. Like because you're the only one you're the only one in the chat. It shows your name in blue. And I'm assuming that's a moderator highlight that you're in blue. I don't know. Don't know for sure. We have another person here. If this other person can help us test this out, leave a comment. And I want to see if your name comes up in blue or if your name comes up in white. Anyway, let me read here. I do want to mention Mr. Chubby Hubby is moderating for whatever that's worth. Because, man, I don't have you on the screen with me to talk out loud with you, which was nice last night with Shroom Day. Hello, Christopher Johnson. Welcome. And your name does come up in white text. So blue text must mean you're the moderator, Mr. Chubby Hubby. Perfect. I learned something else. You know what? Let me ask you guys a question. This is open to anybody that jumps in the chat here. But because I want this to be ask me anything, but can I ask you a question? Today, what did you learn? Is there something that you learned for the first time today? I learned something today. I mean, it's off the wall, and it was at work this morning. So I'll start, and then you guys can answer. But I learned what lilac blossoms, the little flowers on lilac, taste like. I was doing pruning and trimming of some lilac bushes this morning, and surprisingly, some of them had fresh blossoms on them this time of year. So it decided to do its thing late in the season, just on a few branches. But anyway, I discovered that that's the only part of the plant of a lilac bush or whatever that's edible are the flowers. So I ate them, tasted them, and now I know what they taste like. So I did learn something. I learned what they taste like. They don't taste like they smell, of course. They have a stronger flavor because, and I'm going to go all chemistry on you guys, but you know, I've got the videos to back this up. The polyphenols found in those petals, like the anthocyanins, or I guess it would be the anthocyanidins, that are these polyphenolic compounds that give the flower petals its colors. And oops, we're still live. My phone just glitched for a second. There we go.